Mary, I just got a security alert on my screen.
What does it say?
It says someone is trying to access our server from outside.
That's serious. Did you click on anything strange today?
No, I don't think so. Just my usual emails.
Wait, did you open that email from IT support this morning?
Yes, I did. It asked me to update my password.
John, our IT team never sends emails like that. That was a fake email.
Oh no. What should I do now?
First, disconnect your computer from the network right now.
Okay, done. What's next?
Call the IT department immediately. Tell them everything.
I'm calling them now. I'm so sorry, Mary.
Don't worry, you stopped it quickly. That's what matters.
The IT team is coming. They said I did the right thing.
Good. Next time, always check with us before clicking on security emails.
I will. Thank you for helping me.
No problem. We all need to be careful with cybersecurity.